Hello and welcome to our video on WordPress error solving tutorials for creators. In this video, we'll be discussing about cannot redeclare a function error, which is very common. Every WordPress developer must have confronted this error. The fatal error message, cannot redeclare a function, comes when you declare a function with the same name as an existing function's name. To solve this error, you need to ensure that the function name you are using is unique and not already defined in the code. Here are some ways you can take to solve the cannot redeclare a function error. Way 1. Check for duplicate function names. Make sure that the function name you are using is not already defined in the code. Check all files, including included files and files from plugins or third-party libraries. Way 2. Use a unique function name. If you find a duplicate function name, rename your function to a unique name that does not conflict with any existing functions. Way 3. Use include _once or require _once. If you are including a file that contains the function definition, use the include _once or require _once statement instead of include or require. This will ensure that the file is only included once, and the function is not redefined. Way 4. Use function _exists. You can use the PHP function _exists function to check if the function is already defined before defining it again. Here's an example. By following these steps, you should be able to solve the cannot redeclare a function error and ensure that your PHP code is free of conflicts. Thank you for watching our video on WordPress error solving tutorials. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below.